This is what the first time I ran across this lock. The batteries were dead, and the lock would not open. And the interesting thing is you're supposed to have a 9-volt battery. So let's disconnect the battery. So disconnect the battery. What's kind of interesting is, and quite a few locks have this, and some of them work really good. This is a fresh battery. It's a Duracell. It's one we use all the time. Right under the nameplate is, because there's no key override, so you're locked out of this. There we go. Stick my battery on here. Okay, it seems to have every proper ways. Put a little plus or minus, we can figure this out. Okay. Okay, so it does take, the plus goes on that side. This is why I have boxes of smart key locks, smart locks. I got boxes of broken ones because out of the box. Okay, this is a fresh 9-volt. Let's grab another one. This is out of my alarm kit. So these are good batteries. So we know we have the plus goes to here. Oh no, leave it running, leave it running. I find this fascinating. My camera guy is not liking this, but no, keep it running. Let's see. Okay, I just hooked up battery. Okay. Okay. This is a real test here. So let's lock it. Let's disconnect all the batteries. Just pretend I'll disconnect. I'm gonna take out all the batteries. It's dead. We're locked out. You go there as per the instructions. I take my battery. Nothing with that one. This one. Okay, likes that one. Just in case. Here, you hold that. Yeah, press it. Yeah, press it. It says it makes a noise when it's got the positive on this side. See? It's crap. And this is why the customers are locked out. We tried everything. I bought one out of the box. You saw this. I went to Home Depot. I bought this, hooked it up, just like our customer had a problem. I couldn't get it open. I had my 9 volts. He was sitting there with his 9 volts. We did not get it open with the battery packs. We did not get it open from the front. And I tried everything. And in the end, what did we do? We drilled it off the door because we only got one door going into the pool room. And it didn't work for me. And I just thought, oh, maybe it was faulty lock. It didn't work. I couldn't use my batteries. I couldn't get it to work. And the customer had batteries too. But a lot of times we go to a lockout, the customer's batteries, we put in our batteries, and the customer's using old batteries. And so the lockout, look at this right here in the shop. Haven't fired around right out of the box. You saw it. Didn't work. If Weiser sees this, because they know I pick on their products a lot, let's go to Home Depot together or Rona or wherever you want. Let's buy one of these right out of the store. Okay, we'll go together and let's do this. And let's see if this works. Hey, one more time. Try the other battery. Seems to like that one. How'd you like to be? I'm a locksmith. How'd you like to be a homeowner? And this is what's happening to you. And you call me up in the middle of the night. We come out here. Sometimes we take our battery or whatever, we open it up. So I don't feel so bad now. Crappy user instructions, crappy lock. If the batteries are fine, okay. We know it works with the batteries. 4 user code, 67 lockout. This is why I don't sell this at all, because of the problems. I ran around, we grabbed a few more 9 volts, stole one out of my smoke detector. It still doesn't work. So in conclusion, I would not recommend this lock. And I can see why locksmiths, it must be, I don't know, who knows? But I can't recommend this. But I can see why do locksmiths love these locks? Because we're going out at night and daytime and we are opening these. I have a video on my training site on how to totally bypass this, but it does require you to drill the lock and it destroys the lock. Hopefully that customer has taken that lock back and got the warranty out of it, because it doesn't work. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.